Welcome back, first grade. Today is Friday, February 19th, and in math today we will determine the value of a group of quarters. How will we do this? We will look at a group of quarters to determine how much they are worth altogether. And why? Because it is important to be able to determine the value of a group of quarters. So let's look at our vocabulary. We have cent. Say the word cent. That is equal to 1/100th of a dollar. That is an amount of money that is less than $1. Let's review our anchor chart from yesterday. The past 2 weeks, actually, we've been adding to this every day. We have our penny that's worth 1 cent. We have a nickel that's worth 5 cents. We have a dime that's worth 10 cents. And yesterday we learned about the quarter that has George Washington's face, maybe the bald eagle, maybe a state, but it's worth 25 cents. Yikes! All right, so today we are going to count quarters. A quarter is worth 25 cents, which is the same as, hold up, 25 pennies. I think we need to double check their math. Okay, ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. No way! A quarter is the same as 25 pennies. And apparently, it is also the same as 5 nickels. We count nickels by fives, so let's practice counting these nickels by fives. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 cents. So I could have 25 pennies, 5 nickels, or 1 quarter. And it's all worth 25 cents. Which one do you think would feel better in my pocket? A little easier to carry would be the quarter. It's a little bit lighter than 25 pennies. If you've ever tried to carry around 25 pennies, heavy. All right, so the quarter is 25 cents, 25 pennies is 25 cents, 5 nickels is 25 cents. Now, here is how we count quarters. By 25s. Let's find 25 on the 100 chart. There it is. Now, if we counted 25 more squares, we counted on 25 more squares, we would land on 50. If we counted on 25 more squares from 50, we would land on 75. And then if we counted on 25 more squares from 75, we would land on 100. So when you count by 25s, you only have to remember 4 numbers. Count with me. 25, 50, 75, 100. Try that again over here. 25, 50, 75, 100. That's all you have to know to count quarters right now. So remember, a quarter is worth 25 cents. How much is a quarter worth? 25 cents. So let's count these quarters and count on so that each quarter has the correct amount for the value of that number of quarters. Let me show you what I mean. So 1 quarter is how much? 25 cents. But if I have 2 quarters, do I have 25 cents? No, I have 50 cents. Remember how we count 25s? 25, 50. All right, what's the third one going to be? 25, 50. If you don't remember, you can come back and look right here. 25, 50, 75. That's correct. 75. 3 quarters is 75. So 25, 50, 75. The last one is 100. 100 cents. Woo! All right, so now we have 100 cents total. 4 quarters equals 100 cents. So the value of all 4 quarters is 100 cents. Let's practice counting those one more time. Count with me. Ready? 25, 50, 75, 100. Very good. So now for your assignment, your independent practice, you're going to count the quarters, write the amount of each quarter underneath of it, counting on. So if you have 2 quarters, you're going to have more than 25 cents, right? And then that's it. When you're finished, you're going to save and turn into your teacher. Make sure you've counted the quarters by 25s. Okay, if you don't remember, you can go back and look at our 100 chart. Then when you are finished, you can listen to a Jack Hartman video, either one of the new money videos or counting by 5s, counting by 2s, counting by 10s. And then you may go to extra math for 10 minutes, iStation math for 10 minutes, and that is all you have to do for your math assignment today. So let's review what you learned today. You learned that a cent is equal to 1/100th of a dollar. That's an amount of money less than $1. It's smaller than $1. You learned that a quarter is worth 25 cents. And that's the same as 25 pennies. And it's also the same as 5 nickels. And then we counted the nickels and we counted the pennies just to make sure. Then we looked at our 100 chart and we counted by 25s, starting with 25, 50, 75, 100. Very good. Counting by 25s is kind of fun, right? Then we counted some quarters. We counted a collection of quarters, counting on the next one. So 25, 50, 75, 100. Now I want everybody to pay close attention when they're counting quarters, that if they have 100 cents, they might just have $1. Oh. Okay, that's all for today, boys and girls. Have a great weekend. I will see you back here on Monday.